All right, mate. So this is the first screen you'll see whenever you log into WordPress. You'll always land here, unless you do it another way, which I may teach you throughout another video. That's fine. So from here to do a blog, you're going to go to posts over here on the left. Your blogs will always be here. Now, if I click on that, it's going to bring up the full list of all the blogs, which now you can see you've got your proactive, programmed, reactive building maintenance services here. Now, the reason that I've set them up as blogs is for SEO. And the reason that only the services are showing up in that container on the homepage is because I've set them the category service. And I've got the container I've set up on the homepage only showing blogs that have the category service. So it's very, very important that you use categories on your blogs and in tags as well for people who are searching with that search bar at the top of the page, which I don't think I have on here. I think we've taken it out. You have, so that's fine. You don't have to worry about that. Anyway, so I started creating your blog to show you as a demo, which you can see here. I'm actually going to trash it because I've set something up for you to make life easier. Because I've already done a basic blog template for you down here called Height Safety Installation Process, all you need to do is go Add New. Name it. So we're going to name it Height Safety Systems Installation Guide 20. No, just don't even put a date. Height Safety Systems Installation Guide. If you have a specific height safety system that you want to do a guide on, then it would be the Aura Height Safety System Installation Guide. Once you've named it, you're going to go Fusion Builder, and Fusion Builder will bring up the page builder. Now, if you wanted to have a play around it, building your own and having a play with building websites, then you would do that here. You would add a container. You can go full width, half, third, whatever it is, or just play around. But forget that for now. For blogs, all you need to do is click on here. This icon here, this little hard disk, is all the saved templates. So I've actually set you up with a blog template, which is right here. So if you go load and then replace all page content, that is going to pull that entire page that I created in for you. So all you have to do now is edit the titles, insert the text, and change out images, as you'll see throughout the page. So if you don't like that particular setup, then you can simply delete the images and delete text and change that around. If you want to add something, let's say, for instance, you wanted to delete this paragraph and add a image, then you would just click Add Element, Image in here somewhere. There it is. And then just simply select your image. You can either upload it or choose from one that's already in the media library up here. Once you've done that, you're happy with all the content in there, you've done all your text and your images. Over here's the format you don't really need to worry about. They're always going to be a standard format, really, unless you're doing a gallery, which you won't. The most important thing here is categories. So this is going to be a height safety blog. So I've put height safety and installs too. So there's two categories. Now, this is because if you create a page that's called Height Safety Blogs, or you put a section on a blogs page called Height Safety Blogs, then all height safety blogs can show up in that area. If you have a section of that blog page called installs, or you're doing a blog about installs, you can put all the other blogs about installs in that same page simply by adding that, which I'll show you in a second. So you've got this one is height safety and its installs. You can add some tags like height safety system installation. Always use a comma to separate. Height safety systems, height safety installations, etc. Just press enter. Now all those are showing up under here. So if someone does use the search function on your website and searches for height safety installation systems or systems installation, this blog is going to show up because it's got the key tags. Now, in that grid that you see for services and for your projects, there's a big image that shows. That image is set here. So it's the same for blogs. If I go back to the home page, which I'll do here just for an example. If we scroll down to where the blogs are, which is down the bottom, I believe. Yeah, here, experts in height safety. So these are just blogs this is where all your blogs will show, provided you put the right categories in. So if you just want to put height safety blogs in here, if you were to go to edit this page, which I'm not going to show you now because it'll confuse you, if you put height safety as the category, it will only show blogs here that are about height safety, or it will only show your latest updates, the news about your company. So if you're going to do a blog about an upcoming project or a project you've just completed, you would call it news or have a category called news, and that news would show up here saying, oh, we've just completed Admiralty Towers project. We did this on it, blah, 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 blah. That would show up here. And you can set whatever you want there. So let's go back to post. Once you've done your categories, you've added some tags here, you've added a featured image, and you're happy with all the text, you simply click publish, and that will then get posted to that that page basically, where or to that section on the homepage. There is also I'll set you up a blogs page or a news page that people can click on that has all your blogs in one area. And we'll just set it up to show every single blog that you guys write. But at the moment, you don't have any, so we don't really need to worry about it. So I'm not going to publish this post because there's no need. I haven't done anything. But that just does a step-by-step guide. Quick breakdown. Title. Load the template from the library here. Change out all the text and images. Make sure that you add the categories that are relevant. Add tags.